Who wants to see my box? There we go. Brown postage box, orange packing tape on it, which says Amazon Prime Video. Prime Original GT Grand Tour. I think that's that spin-off of Top Gear where Jeremy Clarkson got fired for punching a guy in the face because his pie wasn't warm enough. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Let's see what's in here. I'm going to start trying to do some unboxing videos because I actually go through a fair bit of camping and outdoors gear, which you don't really get to see on the channel. Alrighty, bit of this, bit of that. Geez, a lot of that. Oh, it's actually quite small. Alright, there we go. That makes me excited. This is one that I got a few weeks ago. It's been sitting there waiting for me to unbox. It's the Naturehike Outdoors sleeping bag. What does it say on this label? Compact, lightweight, 800 fill power goose down sleeping bag for camping, hiking, etc. Why did I order this? It's tiny. How is that going to keep someone warm? Well, I had this tiny hiking sleeping bag. Just rip this. Yeah, probably about the same size as that for a while. Really good for use with the hammock. Go back to the scooter video. You'll see I slept in a hammock for that whole weekend. Didn't get a drop of wet on me. But Jake went and did the Bibbulmun track, and I lent him my compact sleeping bag and didn't really think about the fact that after 2 months it'd stink like Jake, so I let him keep that, and I ordered this new one here. Now if I remember correctly, the comfort rating on this was about 5 degrees Celsius. Yeah, which isn't too bad. That's a comfort rating too, so you'd probably get down to 0 and you wouldn't die. It's nice and small, and yeah, you get them off Amazon. This thing is about $127. For my old one I paid $60 US, and that was about 4 years ago, so comparative in price. Naturehike Outdoors, not a brand you often hear of. I did a little bit of research and found out that Main Peak, I believe it is, actually sells them, so if Main Peak endorses it, it can't be that bad. Let's figure out how do we get this thing out of here. Loosen off the straps. It's an envelope type sleeping bag, so as opposed to the mummy one where you're quite restricted, which is good by the way for keeping your body heat in there, this one gives you a bit more room to move about. A compression sack. Wow. You look at that and you wouldn't think it'd keep you warm, but oh, here's the comfort rating. 8 degrees Celsius comfort and 2 degrees Celsius limit. So you're going to start getting pretty chilly down at around the 2 degrees. Oh yeah, there's some measurements here too. 190 long by 72 centimetres wide. So if you're a big boy, you're not going to fit in that. It's going to be cozy up around my shoulders. See that? Yeah, I don't get a huge amount of room to move, but as it is primarily designed for hiking, it's not such an issue. Your issue is weight and size when you're hiking, which brings me to the next point. Hiking is something that you obviously saw Jake take on with the Bibbulmun track this year or last year, and it's something that will feature a little bit more probably during the weekdays on the channel. So I'm going to get out there and maybe even drive the four-wheel drive to the limit of somewhere we can go and then go further by pack. So more on that one later. Oh, what's this? What is that supposed to be? It's like a mozzie net, except it's got huge holes and everything would get through it. I don't know. Throw that aside. But wait, there's more. Down here, side of my table, I've got a new compass. Sunto. I don't know, it's Finnish. It's from Finnish, yes. And this one's a pretty cool story actually. I got this about 2 weeks ago. I was off at the swap meet, selling some of my worldly possessions, clearing out the house a bit, and I walked past someone's little stall and they had 2 of these sitting here, just like that, in the packet. And I glanced at it and I thought, oh, I've heard of that brand before. And so I asked how much they wanted. $5 each. Yeah, right. Grab 2 of them. $5. $10 total. Looked them up later. The MC2 Global Compass. Retail 120 Australian dollars. That's a flash compass. It says that it is Pro Compass, and that's about all that it says really on the package. So given this is an unboxing video, let's open it up. I bought the 2. I gave one to Jake. And oh dear. Great catastrophe here. Yep, don't know what that is. And that's it. It's yep, it's a compass. It has a bubble level on it. It's got a little neck lanyard thing. This little silver bit on it there. It's got a mirror, which, I mean, that is handy if you have to like beam an airplane in a survival situation, but I think there is actually a navigational purpose for that. All will be revealed once I look at the instructions included inside the pack. And don't worry, I won't bore you with just looking at instructions. Yeah, right. Place the long end of the open mirror compass on the map between the starting point and your intended destination. The cover should point to your target direction. Turn the capsule until the north-south lines are parallel to the coordinate lines. Yeah, I need to brush up on my compass use. I wasn't too bad at it when I did an orienteering course as part of my conservation and land management certificate, but it's a little bit rusty, so that's going to take some learning. Anyway, that's the 2 exciting new products for the week. I'll come back later on the channel after I've slept in that sleeping bag a couple of times. I'll let you know if I froze or not inside it. And maybe we'll even bring like a compass orienteering video to the channel using this. Why won't it close? Oh, it's obviously a locking feature. Oh, there we go. So yeah, comment down below if there's any particular thing you've thought, I wouldn't mind knowing how that goes, but I don't want to waste $20. And maybe I'll purchase it and see how it goes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to catch more of these, and of course, good old 4-wheel drive adventure videos, etc. Thanks for watching my first unboxing video. Hope it wasn't too terrible, but even if it was, it can only go up from here, right? Catch us next time.